Want to optimize your 3D prints with your Bambu Lab A1 combo? Discover this revolutionary enclosure that will transform your experience. Large transparent window. It allows constant monitoring of the printing process without having to open the enclosure. This is crucial for tracking the progress of the print in real time, detecting any potential problems, and adjusting settings if necessary. The transparency of the window provides a clear view of the inside of the enclosure, making it easier to observe the details of the print. Integrated LED lighting. The LED lighting illuminates the inside of the enclosure, significantly improving the visibility of the print. This is especially useful in low-light environments, allowing for precise monitoring of print details. The LED lighting can also highlight the ongoing print, providing an aesthetic and professional view. By combining these two features, the 3D printer enclosure offers optimal visual control of the print, allowing users to monitor and adjust the process with ease. Fireproof material. The enclosure is made from fire-resistant materials, which significantly reduces the risk of fire. This is particularly important in the context of 3D printing, where electrical components and high temperatures are involved. Dust protection. The design of the enclosure ensures effective protection against dust. This protects both the printer and the filaments from contamination, which is crucial for maintaining print quality. Dust can lead to print defects and damage printer components, so this feature extends the life of the device. Constant temperature. The enclosure helps to maintain a stable temperature inside. This is essential for printing temperature-sensitive materials, such as ABS, which can warp in the event of temperature variations. A constant temperature also improves layer adhesion, resulting in higher quality prints. Noise reduction. Although noise reduction is not directly related to safety, it contributes to a safer and more comfortable working environment. By reducing printer noise, the enclosure minimizes distractions and auditory fatigue. In summary, this enclosure provides complete protection for your printer and your prints, while improving the quality and reliability of the printing process. Constant temperature. The enclosure helps maintain a stable temperature inside the unit. This is crucial for printing temperature-sensitive materials, such as ABS or ASA, which can warp in the event of thermal variations. A constant temperature promotes better layer adhesion, reduces the risk of warping, and improves the overall quality of prints. Dust protection. By preventing dust and particles from entering the unit, the enclosure protects filaments and printer components. This reduces the risk of nozzle clogging, print defects, and extends the life of the printer. Noise reduction. Although not directly related to print quality, noise reduction contributes to a more stable work environment. A stable environment reduces vibrations that can impair print quality. General improvement of print quality. The use of an enclosure allows a better control of the printing environment by avoiding airflows. This allows to have smoother prints and better quality. In summary, this enclosure creates a more controlled and stable printing environment, resulting in better quality prints, less waste, and greater reliability. Perfect compatibility with Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The enclosure is specifically designed to fit the Bambu Lab A1 Combo 3D printer. This ensures a precise fit and seamless integration, without compromising the printer's functionality. This custom compatibility ensures optimal use of the enclosure's interior space, while allowing easy access to the printer's controls and components. Generous dimensions. For large prints with dimensions of 838 by 588 by 588 mm, the enclosure offers a spacious workspace, allowing large objects to be printed without constraints. These generous dimensions also facilitate the handling of prints and the maintenance of the printer. With dimensions of 838 by 588 by 588 mm, the enclosure offers a spacious workspace, allowing large objects to be printed without constraints. These generous dimensions also facilitate the handling of prints and the maintenance of the printer.